How to link Apex Legends account on PS4 to PC. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video, I show you on how to link an Apex Legends account from PlayStation 4 to PC. It's a really simple process, so follow along. First, set up your EA account correctly to enable linking accounts from different networks. To begin, visit the EA Help website, that is help.ea.com, or search for EA Help on Google. Sign into your EA account at the top right corner, and once signed in, go to the Manage Account just next to the Game Support option. Click on it, and among the various and numerous options over here, you're supposed to click on Link Accounts that says Link or Unlink your EA account. Click on it. Here in this page, make sure that you're in the Connections tab. Here in this page, you can link various accounts such as PlayStation Network, Xbox, Apple, Steam, Discord, Amazon, Google, Facebook, and even Twitch. In order to link your Apex Legends account from the PlayStation 4 to PC, click on Link Next to the PlayStation Network over here. Then after, you have to simply follow the prompts to verify your identity. And after verification, you can sign in using the respective account credentials. Repeat this process for other account links. You can manage all the linked accounts through your EA account. So this is basically on how can you link your Apex Legends account PS4 on PC. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.